Now, we've got another color that also has its Russian counterpart used pretty frequently. Let's see. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you've got the color called ÇƏHRAYI. ÇƏHRAYI. ÇƏHRAYI is pink or rosy or rose-colored. So the version you will often hear alongside ÇƏHRAYI, ÇЭHRAYI's official color for pink in Azerbaijan, you will hear rozovıy. Now, because more often than not in Azerbaijani, you can see that people grow in their yards roses in pink color. So that's where it comes from, rozovıy, rosy. Now, not the ones that sold bright red roses in the market, but the ones that grow people with yards. I mean, alongside the red, of course. Mostly you will see pink roses. So that's where it comes from, rozovıy. Now, phrases first, as always, and then sentence. First phrase. Pink color, rosy cheeks, or rose-colored glasses. Let's see. ÇƏHRAYI, rəng. Rəng itself is color. We've learned it in the past. ÇƏHRAYI, yanaqlar. Yanak, cheek, yanaqlar, cheeks. ÇƏHRAYI, eynəklər. Eynək is glass. Here's the thing I want to show you here. So glasses in English, it shows plural, but it means a single glasses. You will still call them glasses. And what you will call two glasses, three or more, you will still call them glasses. In Azerbaijan, though, it's just called eynək, single, eynəklər, plural. Now, let's take a look at some sentences. Divarları ÇƏHRAYI rəngə boyadıq. Otaq daha işıqlı və isti görünürdü. Amma pərdələri neytral saxladıq. Neytral is a loan word. Let's see. We painted the walls a pink color. The room looked brighter and warmer, but we kept the curtains neutral. Neytral, neutral. Now, divarları, divar, wall, divarlar, walls. Divarları da walls. ÇƏHRAYI rəngə boyadıq. Boyadıq, painted, we painted actually, because boyamak, to paint, boyadı, he, she, it painted, boyadıq, we painted. Now, otaq, the room, daha işıqlı. İşıqlı, bright, daha işıqlı, brighter. İsti, warm, daha isti, warmer. Göründü, looked. Amma, but. Pərdelər, pərdə, curtain, pərdelər, curtains, pərdeləri, the curtains. Saxladıq, kept. Now, həyata ÇƏHRAYI eynəklərlə baxmaq istəmirəm. Baxmağı, the way of looking, basically. Baxmaq, to look. Same thing, different version. Reallığı görmək və planları buna uyğun qurmaq daha yaxşıdır. Reallıq, loan word, plan, loan word. Let's see. Well, if you look at that way, hayat is also a loan word from Arabic. Now, I don't want to look at life through rose-colored glasses. It's better to see reality and plan accordingly. I don't want, istəmirəm, to look, baxmaq, at life, hayata, through, eynəklərlə, ilə, with, basically, the last lə suffix means. Rose-colored glasses, ÇƏHRAYI eynəklər. It's better, daha yaxşıdır. Yaxşı, good, better, daha yaxşıdır, it's. To see, görmək, reality, reallıq, is reality, the reality, reallığı. And plan accordingly, planları buna uyğun qurmaq. Now, that was our sentences for word ÇƏHRAYI. I have another fun sentence. My schedule is chaos, but my mood is confidently ÇƏHRAYI. To support you in your language journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available to be downloaded in App Store and Google Store. I'm giving away Module 1 completely free. That is the foundational module where you will get to learn how to build sentences in Azerbaijani and how to speak. I'm also giving away all the vocabulary from all the modules, including future modules. Furthermore, I have masterazerbaijani.com, a website that's been active since November 2025. I've been posting blogs there on multiple topics on top of historical and cultural context. I'm also giving you language and grammar tips. So feel free to check those out as well. Otherwise, I'll see you here tomorrow. Cheers.